Hey, real life traders from around the world. This is indeed Jerremy Alexander Newsome, and I do hope you are having a most majestic Monday. This is your real life stock review, and I'm not entirely and 100% sure what I'll be sending you guys over the holidays. I know you guys will be doing a lot of Black Friday webinars and things of that nature. Maybe not, but I felt like during the holiday season, taking a break will be absolutely A-okay. The trading floor is closed Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of this week. And I might send you an email or two just kind of updating you guys on a few things. But as far as today's review, let's just kind of look at everything. I had two requests on the Real Life Trading Facebook page. Dwayne wants to look at MU, and Stan wants to look at NCR. So I'll go ahead and pull both of those up. Pull up NCR first, and then I'll pull up MU. We looked at MU today in the trading floor. Not tons and tons of action today on the trading floor. Mondays are a little bit slower overall. They're not massively exciting sometimes, and especially coming into the holiday season, volume will be really, really low. And my expectation is that the market does need to rest anyway, and we'll probably get some of that rest happening this week. So if we pull up NCR Corporation, and this is one that I looked at. I actually did look at this one earlier today. I'm sorry. I'm going to load the chart. So on NCR, I do kind of like the movements that we're having on both that and MU. These are two fun little stocks to look at overall. And it appears that the resistance is, holding pretty strongly for NCR. Had an upper shadow today, about 29.50, give or take. It's a nice little resistance level. And I really like the move and how it appears on the hourly chart. So if we come in the hourly, you can see just recently that I do like this gap a lot. So a really big white candle took out this black candle, meaning anyone who shorted the last hour of the 11/21, which was Friday, they were forced to buy to close. So they started buying. We got a retest, and now we have a little bit of a pennant pattern on NCR. So if we close above 30.20, I would be more bullish than bearish overall. Stop in place. If you had a shorter term swing trade, it'd be about 28.84. Longer term swing trade could be at about 27.50. And some ultimate targets would be up in the $35 and maybe as far as the 37.46 range as well. MU. Another one that we're watching closely, Dwayne and Lewis and a few others were asking about this. Notice the volume. I'm really, really liking the volume that's kind of coming in on Micron technology. I like this little retracement move that we had. It allows a little bit more rest than a lot of tech stocks have given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white candles in a row. We broke higher, and we have a strong resistance on Micron technology at approximately $34.67. So what I'm expecting on MU is potentially some sideways trading, since we do have 6 white candles in a row. Those candles are buying candles, and we need some selling to come in at some point. So if we begin to sell, what will be perfect is another inside day candle tomorrow, and then if we close above 35.38, I definitely would be more bullish than bearish in my opinion on Micron, especially since we did have some really, really good volume come in just recently. So an inside day candle tomorrow, and then if we start breaking out, even if it happens on Friday, I'm totally fine with that. The market is closed, obviously, Thanksgiving Day, which is Thursday. I'm going to Memphis to hang out with Ashley and her family on Thanksgiving Day. I'm leaving actually tomorrow night to do that. And then, or is it Wednesday? What day am I leaving? I think Wednesday I'm leaving to do that. Wednesday night, headed over there, staying over there Thursday. Then Thursday night, driving down sometime to Statesboro, Georgia, to have Thanksgiving time with my family Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and driving back up to Nashville sometime late Sunday night. Did get a chance to change my oil in my car today, put new transmission fluid, got new wiper blades, got new air filter, ready to go on a nice, probably 500-600 mile journey. 700 miles maybe this next 4 or 5 days. But it'll be a good time to have Val. And if you guys need anything, of course, feel free to reach out to me and simply let me know. If we had to look at a few other stocks, let's look at Facebook and Apple. You guys are always interested in what those two things are doing. And Facebook, I'm still in shares. I do have a covered call that expires this Friday, and it looks like it will expire worthless. So if I'm getting Facebook pulled up, as I got my nice little spinning thinking wheel going on. We're still pounding out the 100 kind of as a resistance at this point. And I have no issue with Facebook trading sideways and the 200 SMA trading up on Facebook. If that happened and we came down and bounced off the 200, I think that'd be a great buying location for traders, and it would be a good buying location for me as well. I would totally buy off the 200 since we haven't hit the 200 in over a year and a half. I mean, back in August 2013, we haven't touched the 200 simple. So if we got a chance to do that, I think I'd actually be more bullish than bearish. Right now, I have a $77 covered call expiring this Friday. And if it expires worthless, I'll probably turn around and do it one more again. Maybe a 77 or maybe even a 78 for the end of December. So that expires this Friday. So I'll be keeping a close eye on that. And if I pop up and load Apple on our charts, Apple has just been cruising. This is one of the first emails I sent you guys from Real Life Trading was about Apple and my analysis on Apple. And many students, many real life traders I'm very, very happy about and very pleased with. They just absolutely destroyed this trade. And I'm so, so proud of you guys. It absolutely is moving up much, much higher than I anticipated. But again, I have no issue taking profit where I did at 115, letting it do its thing. It's obviously very, very overbought. Let it trade up to wherever it's going to trade up to, and then when and if it pulls back and bounces, buy the bounce. So right now, phenomenal little trade. Karen just crushing this trade. A lot of traders did very, very well in Apple. So I'm proud of you guys. Hopefully made some holiday money on Apple, and paid off some early Christmas bills, maybe, if you were planning on stacking it up for this coming season. So, ladies and gentlemen, have a great Thanksgiving week. If you guys need me, know where to find me. Reach out to me anytime. Always here for you. Jerremy at reallifetrading.com. Otherwise, boys and girls, I'll see you guys later. Have a most memorable Monday night, and I'll see you in the future. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you guys around.